Alright guys, I'm on the way around the corner to a park with a unplowed parking lot. Got a bunch of snow here. My fiance was giving me some grief about the tow hooks I put on my car. She doesn't think that the crosstrek can pull anybody out of the ditch. I used that as justification to put the tow hooks on and said maybe one day in the snow I'd pull somebody out of the ditch if I needed to. Maybe pull her out of the ditch. Who knows? So I use that as justification. She thinks it's ridiculous and silly. So we're going up here to the park so that I can pull her around in the parking lot, see if it'll work, see if the crosstrek can do it. And I think it'll be a good demonstration of how to hook up to somebody and tow them. We got probably 6 inches of snow here in the parking lot. Just pulling up, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so here's the trunk of my fiance's Forester. Open this up, pop this up. There is the factory Subaru tow pin. Take this bad boy. Gonna walk around front. She doesn't think it's gonna work. So then what you do next, right here, pop this little thing off, put a screwdriver in there, flathead screwdriver, pop that off. This will thread in to there, and that's what I'm going to pull on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get the tow strap hooked up and show you guys from there. Alright, so I got that hooked up. There's a strap just looped through there. This is screwed in. Strap running to my car. And I have it looped through my tow hook right there. So what I'm going to do is slowly ease forward, take all the slack out, and I'm going to get some video from her car as well as I pull her through the parking lot here. We'll see how far we make it. Alright, well, we made it. I don't know if you can see, started back there by the stop sign, got to about here. I could have gone a lot farther. Crosstrek did fantastic. There's just no need to go any farther because we would have just gone down there around the curve, probably run into the parking lot. But I proved my point, and the crosstrek pulled the Subaru Forester. And I think my fiance was not really that impressed. She's on her phone right now. Alright, driving through this unplowed parking lot. Probably 6 to 8 inches of snow in here. I'm going to go try to turn around. My fiance already turned around. So I'm going to come down in here and then head back out. Alright, we're turned around on our way back out. Crosstrek did awesome in this pretty deep snow. This is the deepest I've taken it through. Again, this parking lot basically hasn't been plowed all winter. It's hard to tell, but it's probably 8 inches deep of snow. There were some tracks. My guess would be that a police car pulled through here, came down in here, something like that. There's my fiance sitting up there, so you can see there's my tracks when I came through earlier. Anyways, I'm pretty impressed with how the crosstrek did and how it pulled, and I think I proved my point to my fiance that the crosstrek could pull somebody out of the ditch. I didn't even really pull that hard. I didn't want to yank or anything like that, but it can definitely pull somebody out of the ditch.